Hi friends, welcome to VDKS with the Vikas channel. Today I am going to tell you an amazing trick to find the period number and group number of various elements. So friends, now let us know the trick. So friends, how to find the periodic number and group number of various elements spontaneously. So for this, first of all, you need to write the atomic numbers of the noble gases in an order. That is 2, 10, 18, 36, 54, 86, 118. And to remember this order, you please remember this difference. The difference between the first two numbers is 8 and the second two numbers is 8 and the second number and third number is 18, and the difference between fourth number and fifth one is that 18, 32, 32. And these were the differences between these numbers, friends. Now let us take an example and find the period number of it. So first of all, you also need to mark these numbers before this order. So friends, first of all, I am taking aluminium. What is its atomic number, friends? 13. Now what I have to do is that I need to take a number which is greater than 13 and as well as nearer to 13. That is 18, right? So this aluminium element belongs to third period. So as well as if the atomic number is less than some other number here and which is nearer to the atomic number given to us, and we will choose that number in this order and we will write the number which is preceding to this, I mean 1 or 2 or 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 as its period number. Now let us see another example. Calcium. What is its atomic number? 20. So now let us see a number in the order which is greater than 20 and as well as nearer to 20, that is 36. So calcium belongs to fourth period. Now friends, let us know the trick to find the group number of these elements. So for finding the group number, there is a formula, friends, that is 18 minus difference. This is the formula to find the group number of elements, friends. Now let us find the group number of aluminium. So now what you have to do is that you need to take a number which is nearer to 13 and as well as greater than 30, that is 18. Now this difference here is that the difference between the number which you have chosen in this order and the given atomic number, that is 18 minus 13 gives us 5. For this aluminium I am finding the group number, friends. So 18 minus 13 gives us 5. So we need to substitute this 5 in this difference. So that is why 18 minus 5 gives us 30. So aluminium belongs to 13th group. Now as per this formula, we can also find calcium. So friends, now let us find the group number of calcium. So first of all, you need to take a number which is nearer to 20 and as well as greater than 20, that is 36. So now you need to find the difference between 36 and 20, that is 36 minus 20 is equals to 16. So now what you have to do is that you need to substitute this difference in our formula. Now 18 minus 16 gives us 2. So friends, calcium belongs to second group. Friends, you note that a note point to all of you, that is, this trick is applicable for fourth group elements between fourth group to 18th group. So there is another trick to find the group number of elements which are in between first group and to third group. Whereas the formula or the procedure to find the period number is common for both the groups elements. So friends, now I am going to tell the procedure to find the group numbers of elements in between the first group and third group. And my valuable suggestion to all of you is that, friends, first of all, you need to find the period number of the elements to which you wanted to find the group number, because there will be no confusion if you have already found the period number. Okay, so that you will know that to which group does this belongs to. So to find the group numbers of elements in between first group to the third group is that, first of all, you need to write the order as we have written in the before procedure. Now what we have to do to find the number for the elements present in between first group and third group is that, so for an example I am going to take sodium. Its atomic number is 11. Now we need to take a number which is nearer to 11 and which is less than 11, so that is 10. So here, friends, here now I am finding the group number of sodium. See here, now I took 10. Now you substitute this 10 in the difference here, but here we don't follow that formula, that is 18 minus difference. Here this given atomic number minus the number which is in order. So 11 minus 10 gives us 1. So here sodium belongs to first group. Friends, you also remember that the procedure to find the group number only varies between the periodic table, but whereas to find the period number, the same procedure which I have said before is applicable. Now I am going to take another example, that is lanthanum. So what is the atomic number of lanthanum, friends? It is 57. So I will choose a number which is nearer to 57 and as well as less than 57, that is 54. Now 57, I mean the given. So friends, now I am going to take another example, that is lanthanum. So now I will take the atomic number of lanthanum, that is 57. So the number which is nearer to 57, that is 54. Now you need to subtract the number in the order, chosen number in the order, from the atomic number of the given element. So that is 57 minus 54, which gives us 3. So lanthanum belongs to third group. So friends, there is an exception here, that is the elements which belong to lanthanides and actinides, friends. So you need to just remember that lanthanides, I mean from 57 to 71, and the elements belong between 89 to 103, I mean lanthanides and actinides. The elements from 57 to 71 belongs to 6th period, and the elements from 89 to 103 belongs to 7th period, and all these elements belongs to third group. You need to remember this, friends. So friends, thank you for watching our video, and please do subscribe our video, and you also like the video if you like it. You please click on the like button. Thank you, friends. Let us meet in the next video.